Hello, this is Jeff with Truck and Trailer, your capital for commercial vehicle sales, service, and secure truck parking. Today, we are bringing you a low miler. What we're looking at is a 2015 Chevrolet Express 3500. It's powered by the 6.0 liter V8 Vortec gas engine with only 62,000 miles. Back here in the rear, we have an aluminum skinned cargo box by the Morgan Corporation. This box measures 15 foot deep. And if there are any kind of cargo box modifications that you need or you can imagine, just tell us. We've probably done it before and we can do it for you. Some of our trucks have lift gates, some of them nothing at all. This one, a pull-out loading ramp for those that need the quick access of a step bumper, but also need the functionality of a hideaway loading ramp. Let me ask, do you like this video? You want to see more of them? Well, you gotta let me know. Hit that like and subscribe button. Hit us up in the comments. I would love to get back to you personally. Now everything in here functions and works exactly like it's supposed to, but the cab interior of these box trucks are pretty plain. You do have cold AC, AM/FM radio, power steering, and auxiliary power ports. If you ever need a backup camera, Bluetooth, or even a third man jump seat, holler at us. We would love to work with you on whatever would make this truck more functional. Hey Jeff, how do I buy this truck? Well, we take cash payments and we have very competitive financing. If financing is something that we can help you with, just down below is a link for our soft pull digital pre-approval credit application. It won't ding your credit, but it'll give us just enough information to let you see what owning this truck would look like. And here is our super awesome 6.0 liter V8 Vortec GM gas engine. You can't go wrong with this choice, ladies and gentlemen. This engine has been time tested for years. There's millions of them on the road. This right here is the way to go. Now, for your peace of mind, we also offer a coast-to-coast extended warranty that will protect you for the next 2 years or 200,000 miles. Ask me for details and I'd love to provide you with more information. Well, my name's Jeff with Truck and Trailer, and we're here to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and we will see you soon.